Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Bangladesh. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Bangladesh has the world's 39th largest economy in terms of market exchange rates, with transportation, energy, infrastructure, science, technology and tourism each playing major roles in the country's economy. Forex trading around the world has become increasingly popular over the course of the last few years. And as a beginner trader, the first and most important step would be to find a globally regulated, safe and reputable broker to trade with. As such, finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in Bangladesh and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when searching for a trustworthy broker who accept and offer their services to local investors from this country. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Bangladesh. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Expert Option. Expert Option is a binary options broker regulated by the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission, or VFSC, focused exclusively on offering binary options and specializing in trading through all major and some minor Forex pairs. A selection of 16 popular cryptocurrencies, stocks of United States-based companies, and commodities. The trading platform offered by Expert Option is designed specifically for trading in binary options, is web-based, and supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts on offer include a free demo account, Micro, Basic, Silver, Gold, Platinum, and an exclusive invite-only account with access to a variety of educational materials, 24/7 customer support services, and more. Expert Option also offers their very own educational knowledge center, which delves into topics such as technical analysis, the psychology of trading, trading strategies, daily market insights, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as a library of featured video tutorials that you can browse through if you are looking for any additional educational trading knowledge with Expert Option. At number 4 on our list is City Index. City Index is a spread betting CFD and Forex trading broker, which is regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority. City Index offers traders the ability to trade on over 12,000 instruments, covering Forex, indices, shares, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. Featured platforms are available on City Index's web and mobile trader platforms, as well as the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Demo, Personal, Premium, Professional, Self-Managed Super Fund accounts, Corporate and Partnership accounts, as well as individual and joint accounts, with competitive pricing, access to educational materials, negative balance protection, 24-hour trading support, and more. City Index also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into introductions to the financial markets, technical analysis, a variety of helpful educational videos, guides in risk management, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional educational material with City Index. Coming in at number 3, we have Orbex. Orbex is a forex broker based out of Cyprus and Mauritius, is fully regulated by the Mauritius Financial Services Commission, as well as the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Specializing in trading and offering services in some of the most traded forex pairs, a selection of popular stock indices from around the world, oil, natural gas, and the 4 precious metals. Featured platform is available on the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts on offer include Starter, Premium, Ultimate, and a PAM account, with up to 1 to 500 leverage, no dealing desk execution, scalping, virtual private servers, monthly and exclusive webinars, as well as access to their educational resources. Orbex also offers swap-free accounts and a free demo account. Orbex also provides their very own educational center, with access to a variety of helpful educational videos, tutorials in the MetaTrader 4 platform functionality, trading articles, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, ebooks in various trading topics, as well as their very own research panels, which delve into market insights, analysis, news, and more for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational materials with Orbex. At number 2 on our list is Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online fully regulated financial broker, was founded in 2010, is regulated and supervised by reputable organizations with its head office located in Australia. This broker accommodates for various levels of traders. Whether you are experienced or new to trading, you will have the option to trade in over 100 different market instruments and over 70 currency pairs. Pepperstone specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a variety of helpful trading guides and courses, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as their very own beginner's guides, which covers a variety of educational topics if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Pepperstone. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best forex brokers in Bangladesh, we have Hot Forex. Hot Forex is the brand name of HF Markets Limited, and in addition to providing world-class trading solutions, is strictly regulated with a great emphasis placed on ensuring the safety and security of clients' funds in the best ways possible. Regulated and authorized with the FCA, CYSEC, DFSA, and the FSCA, Hot Forex specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, premium, zero spread, auto, HF copy, and swap-free accounts, with lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, a large number of simultaneous open orders, 24 hours, 6 days a week customer support, and more. Hard Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which cover in-depth Forex trading educational videos, beginner courses, tutorials in platform functionality, a featured trading podcast, as well as a number of live webinars, which you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, educational experience with Hard Forex. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Bangladesh on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next. And let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.